I don't know what to do anymore. Every month, the bills keep coming and my salary is never enough. I worry about my children and our future. I understand that financial pressure can feel overwhelming. Tell me, what concerns you the most? I'm in debt, my expenses keep increasing, and I feel like I'll never get ahead. I'm afraid that one emergency could ruin everything. Many people face similar challenges, but change begins with using incomes and understanding habits. I've never really made a budget before. I usually just pay whatever bill comes first. That's okay, we'll create a simple budget together. First, what's financial needs, then set small financial goals that are realistic.
Do you really think things can improve?
Absolutely. Financial stability doesn't happen overnight. It grows through disciplined planning actions. Even small savings and better spending habits can make a big difference. I always thought I needed a lot more money before I could feel secure. More income can help, but a healthy financial mindset is equally important. We'll work on building confidence, reducing unnecessary expenses, and for the first time in a long while, I feel hopeful. Remember, your current situation does not define your future. With patience, good habits, and determination, you can create financial stability for yourself and your family.